Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, let's try to learn about the bridge mode. So bridge mode is one of the new process modes which has been released recently. So along with the general and low latency, we now have the bridge mode as well. So bridge mode is basically, it's similar to low latency, but the main highlights of the bridge mode is that we will now be able to capture the process logs and also we will be able to record the execution status in the process reporting. So for the real-time integration processes using the bridge mode, we can capture both successful and the failure executions in the process reporting along with the process logs. So I have a sample listener here, which is using the bridge mode, and I have deployed this process into my test environment. So let me try to execute the listener process using a HTTP client, and we'll walk you through the listener execution. So let's just give it a minute for this process to complete. So let me go to the process reporting. So as you see, this is the latest execution. So if you observe, we have, we have this bridge kind of symbol here, which indicates that this is a bridge. This is a listener process which is using the bridge mode. So let me try to view the process logs. So as you see, the process logs are captured here, and so this is a successful execution. So the successful execution is as well captured in the process reporting. And please note that the document data is not captured as part of the bridge mode. So you will not be able to view the document data. So and also here in the process reporting, we can now filter by this bridge listener execution, so that we can see all the listener executions with this particular mode. Coming to the performance, bridge mode, it provides an improved performance over the general mode, and the cool thing about the bridge mode is in spite of capturing the process logs and the execution status, it operates, as fast as the low latency process mode. So basically the speed and efficiency are similar to that of low latency mode. So um, I so these are some features about the bridge mode, and I hope this information helps. And thank you for watching.